This is not a disposable car. This Corvette is not something I drive in bad weather. It isn't something I drive in the winters here in Michigan. It isn't something that I put a lot of miles on. I do have a car that I do use for this stuff, and it's a beater. I call it the disposable car. It's a car that you can pick up for cheap. You drive it a few years, you get rid of it when it's time, and it hasn't cost you much. Let me show you what I'm talking about.
Here at Broken Clutch Garage, we don't just talk cars, we live them.
This is a 2016 minivan. You can see it's not the most beautiful vehicle in the world. I bought this thing, it had under 50,000 miles. I paid a little more than $4,000 for it. I mean, the beauty of something like this is you can drive this for 4 or 5 years. I drive about 20,000 miles a year. So, when I'm ready to sell it, I have 130, 140,000 miles on it. And I'll still get $4,000 for this thing. Look at this. It's a nice enough car. Nothing special. You can see there's salt on it from being driven around. It's got nice seats. I had a parking lot ding that happened on this car. You can barely see it over here. There's a scrape along the door. Funny thing is, on a car like this, you don't really care. This is just a winter beater. So to you, it's just like whatever. Again, I can't recommend something like this enough for you guys. A cheap car, $4,000 or $5,000. You drive it a few years, and then when it's time to get rid of it, just get another one. Like an 8 to 10-year-old car.
Ideally, your disposable car is 8 to 10 years old, under $5,000. And pick a car that's not problematic. You'll have a free ride for a few years, and you can sell it for $5,000 when you're done.
Yeah. So like I mentioned, you saw the minivan. The winter beater, my disposable car. Nice thing about a car like that, it can have door dings on it. You see the ones you drive around town. The lift gate's always pushed in on them. Nobody cares as long as it's still moving under its own power and not leaking and it shifts okay. A couple years from now, this is still going to be worth $4,000. So this car would literally cost me nothing except oil changes, maybe a set of brakes and tires. That's it. That's one other thing about a disposable car. You don't have to worry about maintenance too much, right? Like the plugs, they'll last as long as I need it to. The air filter looked good enough when I bought it, so I'm not going to change that. Transmission flush, I don't think so, not for a couple of years. Mainly just brakes and tires, oil change. I do an oil change every 5,000 miles. I cannot recommend something like this enough for you. For this car, I do know how to work on cars, but if you're going to think of doing something like this, for like minivans, there's ChryslerMinivan.net forums, right? Corvette, there's Corvette forums. Any car that you pick, there's either a Reddit subreddit for this thing or a forum. So when you have an issue, you can go online, do a search, and you'll be able to find what you're looking for. There's also a high chance somebody made a YouTube video about whatever it is that's broken on your car. There's any little thing. I know on this car, when we had a small fuse box issue a while ago, there were videos on it. On the minivan, one of the power door, like the power locks, was making a buzzing noise, So there was a YouTube video on swapping that. It was like $10 part on Amazon. Anyway, I cannot recommend that enough for you guys, a disposable car. They're cheap to operate. You don't lose any money. You keep the nice stuff like this at home, especially like you saw here in Michigan, away from the salt, away from the snow. Maybe you're somewhere where you don't get that kind of weather, but it rains. So at least they'll keep your car out of the rain as well. Plus, if you need to haul something in a car like this, if I get it dirty, I don't care. Not a big deal. It's not a brand new $50,000 or $80,000 SUV. It's a couple $1,000 car. Anyway, thanks for listening. Like and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Thanks.